If you're looking to scale your affiliate program and bring on a new wave of partners, PartnerStack is one of the best tools you can leverage. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize and grow your program, this platform will give you all the tools you need to attract, manage, and scale your affiliate partnerships. Stay with me because I'm about to show you how you can unlock a strategy to grow your affiliate program faster than you ever imagined. Now, one of the great things about PartnerStack is how easy it is to set up. After you sign up, you'll immediately see how to create an affiliate program tailored to your specific goals. From there, PartnerStack allows you to customize every aspect of your program. You can set commission structures, select payment models, and even design how your affiliates are rewarded. This ensures your program aligns with your business needs and gives your affiliates what they need to be motivated and successful. What's powerful about PartnerStack is its focus on automation. You can set it up to automatically track affiliate performance, and it will generate reports so you don't have to do everything manually. That means no more wasted time on spreadsheets, and you get to focus on growing your program instead. You'll also be able to integrate your program with tools like Stripe and QuickBooks for smooth financial operations, meaning your affiliates get paid on time without hassle. Another great feature is its partner marketplace. With PartnerStack, you don't need to hunt for affiliates. You can tap into their existing network of thousands of potential partners. Whether you're looking for influencers, bloggers, or other business owners, PartnerStack's marketplace can help you find the right fit. And because PartnerStack does all the vetting for you, you can rest easy knowing you're connecting with affiliates who are serious about bringing results. PartnerStack also helps with the onboarding process, which can often be the hardest part. They provide templates, training materials, and a user-friendly dashboard that makes it easy for both you and your affiliates to track progress. The dashboard is intuitive, giving affiliates an overview of their earnings, performance metrics, and the assets they need to promote your program effectively. But one of the most critical features that will help scale your affiliate program is PartnerStack's advanced tracking capabilities. It allows you to track referrals and commissions in real time, so you know exactly how each affiliate is performing. This means you can optimize your strategy by focusing on the affiliates who are driving the most value. Now, here's the best part. PartnerStack isn't just for big enterprises. Whether you're a solopreneur or a growing startup, the platform is scalable to meet your needs. Plus, you can try it completely for free using the first link in the description below. I've also secured some exclusive bonuses for you that you won't find anywhere else. At the end of the day, if you want to scale your affiliate program effectively, PartnerStack is a no-brainer. The software streamlines every aspect of your affiliate management, from recruitment and onboarding to payments and reporting. By using PartnerStack, you'll have everything you need to build and scale your affiliate program without missing a beat. If you're ready to give it a try, don't forget to click the link below to access your exclusive extended free trial. You'll be able to hit the ground running, and I promise this software will take your affiliate program to the next level.